Hello everybody, this is Miss Duffy, and today our objective is to decode the closed syllable exception ost. That's where this O, which should be a closed syllable because it's one vowel followed by a consonant, does not follow that rule. It's going to be a long O sound, so that would be an exception to the closed syllable rule. Here's how it looks. So when I see this word right here, I'm going to see that it has ost. And here's my exception to the rule. So that means that this is actually going to say a long vowel sound because I'm going to read it as ost, most. Here it is again with a different consonant in the front. I see it has OST, so that is my exception to the closed syllable rule. And this one's going to be read as host. A host is somebody who is throwing the party, or maybe, like in this word, you're going to see this part and then this with the floss rule over here. It's two syllable, and you're going to read it as hostess, hostess, because that one is following the closed syllable rule. The hostess would be the person who seats you at a restaurant. This one, I see OST, and that's my exception rule to the closed syllable, usual rule, and this one has an ER. That's a suffix, I can cut that right off. I know ER says like in her. There's my vowel right there in that word. I'm going to see this as a two-syllable word and read it as poster. In this word, I see my OST, and there's my exception. This one follows the same rule as a closed syllable. It's one vowel followed by a consonant, makes it that short vowel sound. So I'm going to split it right here, and I'm going to read it as bedpost. This is a sentence, so here's what it's all about, right? We want to be able to use what we know up here down in a real sentence, and I'm going to read it. Take this letter to the post box. Take this letter to the post box. And that is your lesson on how to decode with OST, the exception to closed syllable.